or rather teacher Cynthia. Today we are going to be talking about there and there. Now, the most tricky part of these two words is that they sound the same, but they are both used differently. Even adults make mistakes sometimes when writing with these two words. So you got to pay apt attention. Okay? What is there? There. Now let's quickly look at the clues that I gave. There shows something belongs to them. There. There. This is their dog. This is their dog. Who does it belongs to? So you use this particular one, this THEIR. You use this one to determine if what the sentence you're about to construct, if the sentence is going towards something belonging to someone, then you know you have to use this one. If the sentence you're about to construct is going towards, let's say, towards a location, like my pen is there, you know, is the other one you are supposed to use. So let's quickly look at the clues that I actually came up with. There and here. Can you see the resemblance? They can go for a pair, you know. HEIR and then HEIR. Now, in case you ever forget the particular place where you're supposed to use this particular one, just remember the heir to the throne. Yeah, he's the heir to the throne, means he's the owner of the throne. Do you understand? Or he's the next one. Let's say the heir to the throne simply means that he owns the throne, but it is not yet time for him to sit on the throne. Or he's the heir to the throne. Now, whenever you are confused on how to use this particular one, just take out the T. Oh, heir means what? The owner. Okay. The kids forgot their lunch at home. The kids forgot their lunch. It means who owns the lunch? The kids. They are the owner. So we use this there to show that the kids are the owner of the lunch, and that is why the sentence says they forgot it at home. That is their favorite game. Whose favorite game is this? It is theirs. Whose favorite game is this? It is theirs. So this there shows that the favorite game belongs to them in this particular sentence. The cats are playing with their toys. The cats are playing with their toys. It just shows that whose toys are the cats playing with? Theirs. Whose toys are the cats playing with? Theirs. So it just simply means that this there is used to show that the toys belong to the cats. So the cats are the owner of the toys. The students are doing their homework. The students are doing their homework. Simply means whose homework is it? Yeah, it's theirs. Whose homework are those? It's theirs. So the student owns the homework, so it is their responsibility to do them, right? Good job. What is there? I've given you clues on how to use there, right? If the other one shows ownership, this one shows what? Location. There shows a place or location. Where is the book? The book is over there. Where is the book? The book is over there. So this particular there doesn't show ownership. It shows location. I found the pen. Where? There. I found her standing. Where? There. The cat ran to where? There. Did you see that this there actually shows that you are trying to locate a thing, or you're trying to tell someone that this particular place is where that particular thing was? Or do you understand where I'm trying to go to? Yeah, I know you understand. So we use this there to show location, and the other one, the one that has THEIR, to show ownership. Where is the book? The book is over there. Clap for yourself. You're doing a wonderful job. Look there. Look there. Yes, there, there. Yes, turn. Okay. So there and there. There and there. Who is the owner? Is there? Where is it? Under the bed. So this there shows what? A location. It shows what? A location where something can be at. While this one shows that I am the owner of this. We don't want this our class to look so long, so it doesn't get boring. All right. So if you're not in our WhatsApp group, quickly I'll be leaving the link to the WhatsApp group there where you have to submit your assignments. So just draw 2 pictures, one showing there, like the kids with their toys. Yeah, kids means it's not going to be just one child, right? This there is actually a plural word. So the kids with their toys, and then the other one showing there, a ball far away. This is just an example, please. You can decide to be more creative, you know, think out of the box, be someone that likes to, you know, do immense things, do beautiful things out of what is given. So I just gave you clues. Kids with the toys, you can decide to do something more beautiful. One showing there, a ball far away. You can decide to draw a mother standing far away from the child, or stuff like that. And then